Hi. So today I'm planning to make this video. Like when I was trading, so you normally see this central pivot range. So first thing, let me see. So what is CPR indicator? So normally I will use this indicator. So CPR indicator is like trading in technical tool used to like identify like potential support and resistance level for a stocks or index. It's based on like previous day high, low, and like close price. So we saw this thing. It's a theoretically. Uh, we will know what does this actually is, but what is practically and how we will use this CPR indicator and moving forward in our chart. So what is the use, what is the advantages, and what is it's helpful to our professional traders. Let me see into this as well. So now I will discuss on central pivot. So you can see here, so I have three lines. So this is a top CPR, this is a central CPR, and this is a bottom CPR. So what is the use of this CPR? For example, so you can, so market opens here. Yes, so market opens above this wide CPR. So this is wide. Why we call it as wide? Because you can see the distance between the top CPR and central CPR as well central CPR to bottom CPR. There is a distance. So this is a wide CPR. So you can see, for example, market opens at above the top CPR. For example, here today 9:15 market opens here, and so it's go high and it's come near to this and it's take a support. So what happens? It goes up and it's again what happens? It's break that support and it came till down to central CPR. So now it's now here it's take a support and then it's break that support and came back till here bottom CPR. So here it's what happens, it's again it will retrace and it's go down. So now you see here, so now what happened downtrend, so it goes up, it's came, it's took a support here and again it's came here, it's took a support, again it's came here, it's took a support, because the CPR is a powerful support and a resistance. So how come resistance? In the sense, for example, so now the market is open below. For example, now market is open in this level, morning level. So it opened and it's took a resistance, so it's came down, so it's again it's break that resistance and it's go and it's took us resistance and now it's break it and again it's go here and it's took a resistance to top CPR and again it's go up like this. So now here it's took a resistance, here it's took a resistance, and here it's took a resistance. Normally wide CPR, the what is the advantages of wide CPR, I will say. So main advantages is I will show you in chart. For example, so you can see the chart here. So here there is a, you can see this is a top CPR, this is a top CPR, this is a central CPR, and this is a bottom CPR. The main advantages of the CPR, you can see it's went here, it's took us resistance, it's came all the way down and it's took a resistance all the way down and it's taking a resistance all the came down and again it's took a resistance and again it's came down and took a resistance and it will all went to top CPR. Resistance here, it's took resistance here and all the way it's took resistance as well here in this portion and also in this portion. You can see how powerful CPR is taking a resistance in a live market. So this is how. So wide CPR in the sense mainly in most of the time, on 50% of probability it will be a sideways. So there is go next to this. So you can see here also there is a white CPR. So it's took a support, and also it's having a sideways market. So here there is a narrow CPR. So narrow CPR in the sense you can see this. So this is a white CPR, and you can see the narrow CPR. So the distance between the top CPR, central CPR, and bottom CPR, it's having a small gap, in the sense it's a narrow CPR. You can see the same pattern here. So when there is a narrow CPR, you can see a trending day. So for example, you can see, so it opens below this level, and it's came here, and it's took a support, and it's came all down here, it's took a support, and this is called trending day. So you can range, there is a sideways when there is a narrow, so you can see trending day. So for example, you can see here the market, it came till here, and again it's took a support, it's took a support, and it's took a support, and it's ends here. So this is the main advantages of CPR. May 2nd, it's took a support at central CPR, and it all the way went here, and it's came, it's took a support here, and it retraced, and it's all the way it came here, and it's break that level, and it's took the support at R1. So and it's again it's came up, and here also it took the resistance now, and all the way it's went up, and again it's came down, it's went up. So you can see the candle has been closed. So here you can see how the candle has been closed. Just backtest this thing, and you can use this indicator. I prefer to use this. Most of the professional traders will use this indicators, and but we will get an edge on this, so we will get to know how the central pivot is more powerful when you start backtesting. Full to just take a decision, so where to enter, so where is a resistance, where is a support. So now I will show you how you can use that indicator. So where you will get, so you can go to indicator section. So here you can type CPR. So here you will get like pivot point CPR with monthly, weekly, daily, high, bar, low. So here in this section, just you can click that. So here already I have been using. So go to settings. So in the settings, so input, so coming to input, just you can use this show daily CPR manual and show next day CPR manual, and then input a status line. Just you can just click this thing, and then go to style. So in this daily pivot, it's a central pivot. I made it as a pink color, and bottom CPR, it's I'm using blue, top CPR I'm using blue. So you can see this. So here I'm using this blue and pink and also blue. So here daily S1 support and S2 S3 support. This is the pivot ranges, which, and also here you can see R1 R2 R3, this is the resistance, and S1 S2 S3 is a support. So here you can easily you can see this. So this is the green section, R1 R2, and for example it's a R3 and S1 S2 S3. So this indicators gives you a more compact, and you can easily find out where it's taking a support, and where it's taking the resistance, and where it's taking a support, and you can easily make a trade, and you can make a good profit in this. So it helps to you people, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe